Welcome to the show where my girlfriend and I battle each other in Blender. Because we just want to get better at Blender. We are Blender beginners and we want to change that. We just started this channel, we're trying a whole bunch of different things out. Today, I'll let her tell you. Baby, what are we doing today?
Today, we're doing...
Because it's just so much fun, man. We're gonna do our own version of Animal Crossing. We have 2 hours to do it. We're not gonna be able to see each other's screens because we're in totally different sides of the apartment. And let's get started.
Round 1.
Oh my god.
Fight!
Let's go.
it now. What the Okay. Hold on.
So this is what we've been waiting for. We're gonna do rock, paper, scissors, shoot to see who shows their render first. No more words. Ready? Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
Ah! Why you do scissors? Alright, ready?
Yes.
3, 2, 1.
Babe, oh my
What?
god, just
Wait, what?
get it, just please, just
Oh my god.
have rhythm, man. I almost opened my eyes.
Alright, 3, 2, 1.
Whoa, oh, wow. Yo, you did an animation. Yo, see that? Yo, she's working down.
She's working in slow-mo and then she gets a little bad, you know?
Dang, okay. She has the fuzzy socks or the fuzzy Uggs.
The fuzzy little slippers.
She kind of thick. Damn, she look better than Animal Crossing.
I made like teen Animal Crossing. Or
Wow.
adult.
But it's kind of, this is really cool. I like that you did the, I know what character you got that from.
What character?
The one that we looked at. That was smart.
Yeah,
Because
yeah.
that's a really popular character.
Yeah, I got inspired by goddess. I forgot her name, like Algo or something. I don't know.
I don't know.
But
I see the one asset. That's a beautiful asset.
yeah.
I always appreciate the face paint. Those are particles, right?
Yeah, those are particles.
Yeah. Oh, that's why you were looking at particles this morning.
Yeah.
Okay.
I was like, yo, I can't be struggling when I'm blender battling. Like, I need to figure out how.
But
work.
that's why this is dope. You run into a problem and then you realize what you want to work on.
Right. I feel like every time you learn something, every single time you model, you learn something and then you apply it to the next round and the next round and the next round you learn something and you apply that.
Very, very true, because we didn't even know how to use Rigify. That's why I went straight to the rig.
Yeah. Yo, and look, her face isn't even rigged properly. I was like,
But
you know
sometimes
what?
that could look cool.
Yeah.
Oh, look at her though.
Yeah, that actually looks like.
Yo, but see,
Animal
that's the
Crossing.
thing. That's the thing. You have to detach yourself from the perfection to get a final render off screen, which is what we need to do at the end of the day. Right now we're at 2 hours, but we're gonna get to 1. And maybe we get to 30. That's kind of wild though. Like,
30
what
is
kind of
crazy.
character you making?
First of all,
30?
I'm
Pac-Man?
gonna make a head. I'm gonna make a head.
That's pretty much. But that's cool though, because that's how we feel now. But just 2 years from now, who knows? And that's what we want to do with this channel. We just want to create the channel that we wish existed when we first found Blender.
Yeah.
Because it's like 3D is its own language, and you just want to watch people speak this language when you're just discovering how to even talk in 3D. So, yeah, I hope you guys are kind of getting that vibe. I'm gonna count you down.
Okay.
3, 2, 1.
Ooh! Wow, baby, I love it. See, I knew you was gonna use particles. I had like a feeling in my brain. Not particles. I thought you were gonna do an actual fire, right?
Oh my god, I know.
But
I don't have enough time.
But oh wow.
What?
Those particles, guess what?
What?
I have a tutorial that I was gonna like watch and do of these particles. I swear to God.
From the course?
No, that's from what's it called? What's it called?
I don't know.
The course, no?
The simulation course? Cubic World.
Cubic World, yeah.
Yeah.
What?
But in Cubic Worlds, they teach you how to do it different for the shader, so as it rises, it changes color.
Oh my god. You know what I love, yo? The tent, I thought it was a slide. I don't know, my brain thought it was a slide.
That's okay.
And I was like, oh my god, he made like a little playground. But it's a tent.
Because that's what you start with.
Yeah.
Yeah, animal friends. That's what makes this show awesome, man, because we're gonna have so many different assets that we're able to just use to off the whim. That's the goal.
I'm going to examine. Yeah.
The tent was interesting. I had to use cloth to get it to lay like that. But didn't even need to really do all that because you can't even tell that it's cloth or was cloth.
Oh, see, you couldn't really because when it was rotating, I couldn't really see the mouth.
Yeah, that's my kind of mouth.
I love him. Did you draw his mouth?
Yeah.
In 2D?
Yeah.
You already had it in there, huh? Oh, your iPad was charged?
No, I just did it on the computer. I put it on the OBS and everything.
Bing.
Yeah.
I love it. But I represent it. Hold on, let me
solid review for the whole time. Así se fue ya. That's the end of this episode. That was really cool. Every episode I feel like we learn. What do you feel like we learned this time?
Well, this time I feel like I learned time management. I feel like last time I was doing a lot of like things that I feel like were wasting time, and this time I felt like I wasn't wasting any time because I was trying to, well, as best as I could, because I was trying to just get the right things at the right time, paying attention to the time, and just doing it.
Yeah, definitely not staring at the clock, but making sure the clock isn't forgotten. I could say the same thing for me. Last time I kind of let the clock get away from me, which is why we had another little bonus round that was 40 minutes long. But for this time, I threw perfection out the window. For me, that's what I did. I threw perfection out the window. I was like, forget about trying to make this a functionable character, the Rita Pot. No, we're just gonna make this look nice in 2 hours and make sure I don't embarrass myself in front of Giselle, right? I was happy with this one because we figured out the rules and the rules were very clear this time.
Yes, no miscommunication.
Yeah, no, it was just fun, just like always. But yeah, man, you know me, I will ramble, so that's it. We have to go eat. Hit that like button because it helps us go to sleep at night. Hit that subscribe button if you want a 3D based channel. Let us know something in the comment section. You know, what kind of character do you want to see modeled? Yes, we're Blender beginners, but we're still winners, you feel me? I think that's all I have to say. I'll see y'all another day.
Taking all my tea, damn.